Flying private is often seen as the ultimate symbol of luxury and success. But what if I told you that owning your own private jet isn't as out of reach as you think? Private aviation has become more accessible than ever, and you don't need to be a billionaire to join the club. Today, we're uncovering the 15 most affordable private jets that combine style, functionality, and affordability. These jets offer everything from cutting-edge designs to innovative cost-saving features. And wait until you hear about number 8, it's in a class of its own. Let's explore the skies. Number 15. Cirrus Vision Jet SF-50. We start with a true marvel, the Cirrus Vision Jet SF-50. Dubbed as the Ferrari of the skies, this jet brings luxury and innovation to the personal aviation market. Priced at around $2.85 million, it's one of the most affordable private jets you can own today. This single-engine wonder is perfect for personal or small business use. With a range of 1,200 nautical miles, you can hop between major cities or enjoy quick regional getaways. But what really sets it apart is the safety feature, the Cirrus Airframe Parachute System, CAPS. This built-in parachute can deploy in emergencies, offering peace of mind at 30,000 feet. For those who value simplicity, efficiency, and safety, the Vision Jet is a perfect match. Number 14. Eclipse 550. Next up is the Eclipse 550, a sleek and efficient jet with a price tag just under $3 million. Designed for those who want to balance performance with cost-effectiveness, this jet is a favorite among first-time owners. Seating up to 5 passengers, the Eclipse 550 is perfect for business trips or family vacations. It boasts a range of 1,125 nautical miles and offers single-pilot operation. With advanced avionics and low fuel consumption, it's both modern and practical. For those who want an eco-friendly and budget-friendly option, this jet ticks all the boxes. Number 13. HondaJet HA420. The HondaJet HA420 combines cutting-edge technology with Japanese precision engineering. At $5 million, it's slightly more expensive but worth every penny. Its unique over-the-wing engine mount design minimizes cabin noise and maximizes interior space. With a range of 1,437 nautical miles, this jet is ideal for intercity travel. It's also one of the fastest in its class, with a cruising speed that makes business trips quick and efficient. If you're after a mix of speed, comfort, and style, the HondaJet won't disappoint. Number 12. Cessna Citation Mustang. Here's a gem for under $3.5 million if you buy pre-owned. The Cessna Citation Mustang is a very light jet that can seat 4 passengers comfortably. Its range of 1,200 nautical miles makes it perfect for shorter trips. Plus, it's incredibly reliable and easy to maintain. Want the perks of private jet ownership without spending a fortune? This might be your ride. Number 11. Embraer Phenom 100. The Phenom 100 from Embraer is a stylish and practical option, priced at around $4.5 million. With room for up to 7 passengers, this jet combines luxury with utility. It's powered by twin engines and has a range of 1,178 nautical miles. Plus, it's equipped with cutting-edge avionics, so pilots love it just as much as passengers. Thinking of an entry-level jet with high resale value? Here's your answer. Number 10. Beechcraft Premier. Looking for luxury on a budget? The Beechcraft Premier costs around $1.4 to $1.76 million if you go pre-owned. Its composite fuselage makes it lighter and more fuel-efficient. With a range of 1,380 nautical miles, it's perfect for business travel or family vacations. Its roomy cabin feels more like a high-end hotel suite than an airplane. Affordable and classy, what more could you want? Number 9. Nextant 400 XT. At $5 million, the Nextant 400 XT offers the performance of a brand new jet for the price of a pre-owned one. How? It's remanufactured from the Beechjet 400A, but with upgraded engines, avionics, and interiors. The result is a like-new jet with a range of 2,005 nautical miles and seating for 7 passengers. It's proof that sometimes remanufacturing can be even better than starting from scratch. Number 8. Pilatus PC-24. This one's a showstopper. The Pilatus PC-24 costs around $10.5 million. But hear me out. It's not just a private jet. It's a private jet with superpowers. Need to land on a short runway or even a dirt strip? No problem. The PC-24 is built for versatility, handling places other jets can't. Its 2,000 nautical mile range and spacious cabin for up to 10 passengers make it a favorite for adventure seekers. This jet truly stands in a league of its own. Number 7. Embraer Phenom 300E. The Phenom 300E is where performance meets luxury. At $9.5 million, it offers a range of 2,268 nautical miles and seats up to 9 passengers. It's known for its speed and fuel efficiency, making it one of the most sought-after mid-size jets. With its sleek design and spacious cabin, it's a perfect mix of style and substance. Number 6. Cessna Citation CJ3 Plus. Looking for reliability? The Cessna Citation CJ3 Plus has you covered. At $9 million, it offers a 2,040 nautical mile range and seats up to 9 passengers. Its user-friendly Garmin G3000 avionics system makes flying a breeze. Whether it's for business or leisure, the CJ3 Plus delivers top-notch performance at a competitive price. Number 5. Beechcraft King Air 260. Technically a turboprop, but it deserves a spot on this list. The King Air 260 costs around $6.7 million and offers a range of 1,720 nautical miles. It's versatile, seating up to 9 passengers and handling short runways with ease. Think of it as